If you overthink everything, this is why you can't stop. You replay conversations. You imagine worst-case scenarios. You overanalyze every small detail, and it feels like thinking will protect you, but it actually traps you. Overthinking is not intelligence. It's your brain trying to avoid mistakes. The more you think, the more control you feel. But in reality, you're feeding anxiety. You don't overthink because you care. You overthink because you're afraid. Afraid of being wrong, afraid of regret, afraid of losing control. You don't need more thinking, you need more action. Because clarity doesn't come from thinking, it comes from doing. Stop trying to control everything and start accepting uncertainty. That's how overthinking ends.